Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for west central Jefferson County in central Kentucky until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight. At 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Louisville, Jeffersonville, St. Matthews, Shively, Windy Hills, Audubon Park, Northfield, Watterson Park, Lineview, and Seneca Gardens. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The current time is 8:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
At 11 tonight on Wave News. That's it for now. I'm Meteorologist Ryan Oak. Have a good night. Stay safe.
Jesus. Flash flood. I just got a flash flood warning.
Well, guys,
Yeah,
guess
I
what?
saw
If
that
you're
too.
still with us, I hope you are. Breaking news. I have to come back on here. Perfect timing. Flash flood warning just issued for the Louisville Metro.
I was gonna know that actually does include Lewis Airport too.
Yeah, my radios just blew the fuck up. And for some fucking reason, my WX-150 did not go off.
Let's see what this entails. It was that exact area that we were talking about.
My second WX-150, that's on my table over here, did not go off.
And that's pretty much central Jefferson County. That's downtown. That's the airport. That's
First alert, more like fucking final alert.
And of course, Clifton and the areas a little closer to Road 42, just before you go.
I'm sure y'all sound like you sound like what's going on. I mean, I know there's a flash flood going on.
With us here, so I'm glad it didn't go off the air.
Flash flood warning. Flash.
Tornado warning!
What?
What? Oh, wait, in Springfield? That's crazy. What's usually in Nebraska or something?
That's the area of concern, especially
1.67 inches of rainfall.
near the airport. 1.63 just south of that. 1.10.
Look at this hail, bro.
Good stuff.
Oh shit.
Wait, I can get Springfield.
Center part of the city here. Islands up toward Clifton, parts of St. Matthews, downtown, all under this warning. Let's see, 8:56 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area between 1 and 2.5 inches.
They might issue another one.
Additional rainfall amounts of half an inch to 2 inches are possible with this. Andre Goatley here from Wood High School says that his weather radio just went off for this. No surprise. It's a flash flood warning. Turn around and don't drown. Make sure that if you've got friends or family that are on the roads this evening in Louisville, that they are not driving through flooded roadways.
Oh my god.
In this text of this morning, we do not say that they have actually seen any particular impacts that maybe triggered the warning, but I bet there's
A lot of rotation with this storm.
some auto guys here, so let's see what kind of reports we have coming in from Louisville here. At this point, National Weather Service about avoid windows, hold your doors in a mobile home or in your vehicle.
What time break was?
Oh no!